Hello, I'm going to show you how to apply window liveries and custom body kits in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's customize your car. First, head to any festival site, player house, or garage and open the Custom Upgrade menu. Alright, if your car supports it, you'll find new body kit options from brands like Liberty Walk, Rocket Bunny, and Origin Lab. Install the kit you like, then save your changes. Now, head over to the livery editor. For the first time in Horizon, you can place decals directly onto your windshield and side windows. You can create your own design, download one from the community, or combine window decals with your existing paint job to make your car stand out even more. Once you're happy with the design, save it and head back into free roam to show it off at car meets. And that's how you apply window liveries and custom body kits in Forza Horizon 6.